dressed in a long red gown, carrying a yellow triangular flag. She represents the coming of Christianity. The Reina Banderada from Santonino Crusaders Group, Sherry Tinky.
The first theological virtues, Reina Fe, Baby Abo Torres of Hong Kong, Filipino, Holy Family Filipino Catholic Group, Baby Abo Torres, with an angel, Lucrecia Frago.
The second theological virtues, she carries an anchor that symbolizes the virtue of hope. From love of God, Leia de Leon, Reina Esperanza. Escorted by her angel, Cheryl Tapel Reyes.
Theological virtues, she carries a red colored heart. From Christ the King, Lord and Redeemer, Reina Caridad, with Angel Elena Daily of Christ the King.
Of laughter. She carries an handkerchief to cover the laughter. Sons and daughters of divine mercy, Daisy Humawas, Santa Sara.
Santa Miriam, she was the sister of Moses and Aaron. She is also known as prophetess. She carries a baby in the basket that represents Moses, left on the side of the river. De Antimagos, Santa Miriam, of love of God.
Reina Justicia, a personification of mirror of justice. Blindfolded and carries a wailing scale and a sword. From Hong Kong Filipino Catholic Biblical and Pastoral Ministry, Reina Justicia, Margaret Pagana.
Reina Esther, she was a pious woman who demonstrated great faith, resolve, mercy, and courage. She carries a scepter. Cecilia Dantag of Lars Flock, Reina Esther.
Santa Elizabeth, a daughter of the line of Aaron and the wife of Zacharias. She was righteous before God and was blameless. She is also a cousin of Virgin Mary. She is pregnant and bears a son called John. From Hong Kong Filipino Catholic Biblical and Pastoral Ministry, Santa Elizabeth Evangelic Kalipusan.
Santa Cecilia, a patron saint of musicians and church, music, Catholic and Orthodox traditions, she carries a musical instrument. From Agnus Dei Desiracion, Santa Cecilia.
Santa Clara, she is an Italian saint and one of the first followers of Saint Francis of Assisi, founder of the Order of Poor Ladies. She carries a monstrance, a shining lamp that represents bright, clear, and brilliant. From Holy Family Filipino Catholic Group, Aurelia Reyes, Santa Clara.
Santa Monica, known as Monica of Hilo. She was an early Christian saint. She is a mother, widow, religious laywoman, and mother of Saint Augustine. She carries a Bible symbolizing her strong faith. Our Lady Desperate Precision, Norilyn Cayetano, Santa Monica.
Santa Lucia, a patron saint of Christian. She was a virgin martyr who died during the period of Roman persecution of Christians. She carries a platter with two eyes. Christ our hope and life. Santa Lucia Victoria Taliha.
Santa Agnes. She was only 13 years old, Roman girl, when she shattered martyrdom. She was a virgin and martyr. She carries a palm rocks on her head and a sheep that symbolizes her chastity, purity, and sacred. From Sacred Heart of Jesus, Mary Jane Villaret Ontuhan, Santa Agnes.
Scholastica, a saint of the Roman Catholic and the Eastern Orthodox churches, a patron saint of nuns, convulsive children invoke against storm and rain. From the Lord's Flock Prayer Group, Fair Father.
Reina de las Flores, the Queen of the Flores de Mayo. She carries a bouquet of flowers that symbolizes femininity. From Son and Daughters of Divine Mercy, Manong Silucia, Reina de las Flores.
She was the first person to see Jesus after he rose from the dead. She carries a bottle of perfume who wiped Jesus' feet. Edwin Osana, Maria Magdalena from Filipino Angels Crusaders.
Santa Ana, also known as Hannah, means favor or grace. A patron saint of carpenters, childless people, horseback riders, women in labor and miners, Mother Virgin Mary, from Agnus Dei April last, Santa Ana.
Santa Veronica, a woman of Jerusalem, was said to have been moved by the suffering of Jesus, a woman who rushed to wipe Jesus' face as he carries his cross to Calvary. She carries a bandana imprinted with the three faces of Jesus. Amelia Gonzalez, Santa Veronica of Disciples for Christ.
Santa Mariana, she attached herself to Immaculate Virgin Mary, representing with extraordinary mystical gift by means of sign of the cross. She carries a bottle of holy water. Marty Padonas, of Sacred Heart of Jesus, Santa Mariana.
Santa Bernadette was best known as a saint who received vision of the Virgin Mary in a cave near Lourdes. Christ our hope and life, Lalata Santa Bernadette.
She stands for early Christians, especially the virgins who were martyred for the faith. She has her hands bound by a root. From Holy Family Catholic Group, Aurora Paragas, Reina Senticiana.
Reina Sheba, who visited the famed King Solomon and was overwhelmed by his wisdom, power, and riches. She carries a jewelry box. Christ the King, Verdi Masica, Reina Sheba.
Ready na?
Reina Elena 2023 from Christ the King, Arlen Kilala. Let's welcome Reina Elena 2023.
Kasi may watch. Ano ba yung Jerin? Kasi may watch siya. Yan ay mga ano nyo, Constantine.
Very smiling. Lola niya yung nandoon. Naglakad siya, naglakad. Ayan na siya.
Ayan na, naka-smile na, oh. Okay, very mala Avery. Smiling face. Tontuwa, Avery.
She is the highlights of procession. The legendary founder of the
Tabi-tabi na yung corona.
represented in a small cross it carries in her arms.
May angel, malayo.
Reina Elena,
Malaki yung ano nila.
Disciples for Christ. Virginia R. Arcero.
Be, isod,
She is
malaki yung
born
ano
by
nila.
her son Constantine under the huge canopy of the crown.